making a liquid rainbow.
We're building a bridge for STEAM Week, and the goal of building the bridge is attempting to make it as strong as possible.
We're doing the balloon power. Yeah.
So actually, there will be air pressure, so it will move forward.
It's really fun. We are doing the Leaning Tower of Pisa. We're trying to make a building with only paper. We're making a rocket for STEAM Week.